Okay, so here we have some stuff from ZEERA. This is a really cool ZEERA 3-in-1 foldable travel wireless charger supporting MagSafe for iPhone 14 and iPhone 13 and I think also iPhone 12. So as you can see, you can charge 3 different devices at the same time in this very portable and foldable charger. You can charge the iPhone, you can charge your AirPods, and you can also charge your Apple Watch at the same time with this charger. That will be very cool to try out in this video. And here we have some other stuff that we will see later on in the video. So hang out in the video and see these two. Okay, so let's start by unboxing this cool foldable charger. Ooh, let's see. Apple magic there when unboxing, actually. Really cool. And here we have the charger itself, quite heavy. Let's look at that later on. What's more in the box? We have a charging cable. That means this is a USB-C cable, as you can see, end to end. So that means that you need your own power brick to use this charger. That is not included in the box, so you know that. And we also have a instruction in English and in Chinese. That's cool. So let's see the charger itself then, how it looks. Let's remove this. And the cable can be there. Now let's see this. Really nice packaging. So that's one huge plus for this ZEERA multi-charger foldable. Ooh, very high build quality too. This is the back side, as you can see. This is the USB Type-C connector. And this is the front of it. Really cool. So you don't need to have 3 different cables or 3 different power bricks. You only need one power brick with enough power to charge all 3 devices, as you can see. And if you see this instruction, you should charge the iPhone here because it's MagSafe compatible, as you can see on the logo. And you should of course charge your Apple Watch on this one. And this is for your AirPods or another wireless device. For example, a Samsung phone or something, you can probably charge on this one. Maybe not fast charging though. We can check the instructions. Yes, as you can see, this charger, the MagSafe version, is 15 watt magnetic fast charging, and the AirPods charger or another mobile phone is 5 watt or 3 watt. Let's see how this works before we open these. Here we have a USB Type-C power brick charger to connect to this, like so. Now you see it has power because you have two indicators for that. That means that it can charge both sides now. So let's start by adding these AirPods Pro on this charger. As you can see, it starts to be blue in the LED indicator, and these AirPods are already charged, though I saw that now, but you see that it works at least. So, and here we have the phone, my iPhone. Let's charge that one on the MagSafe charger, like so. As you can see, the logo here says that it's MagSafe compatible. Now it charges the phone, as you can see. That's really cool. And now we have the Apple Watch lastly, like so. Ooh, strong magnets, I like that. As you can see, it charges perfectly fine, so awesomely good. So now it charges all three devices. So the phone, my Apple Watch and the AirPods Pro. Really awesome. And as you saw on the box itself, it's foldable. You can do like this, for example, or you can do it in a lot of different way, I think. Let's see the instructions to see some examples. If you only have two devices, for example, you can charge. You can do a triangle, like so. If you prefer charging it like that, you can do it like this. You can do, if you have two devices to charge like this, you can do that. Because now I can have my iPhone here, as you saw there. These though, I don't think you can, nope, you can't charge these, but you can do it like this. You can also, of course, do it like this if you want to charge your Apple Watch at the same time as your phone. That should work, I guess. Yes, it works. So now both the phone and the Apple Watch are charging. Not the best way doing it though, but you can. If you watch the instruction, you can see that you can charge both the iPhone and Apple Watch, and they have the iPhone actually like this. Let's do this correctly first, like this. And they have the iPhone like this. Now it charges the iPhone, and they have actually done this. I didn't see that first. So you can actually do this. Ooh, much better. So now I have my iPhone and Apple Watch at the same time on the charger. That's awesome. That was a surprise to me, that you could fold this up like that. Really incredibly good to have. But I think I will charge it like this most of the time. It works best for me, as you can see. And when I'm not charging my devices, I think I just disconnect the charger like this, and yes, just doing this when traveling. So I can have this always with me when traveling. As you can see, doesn't take up so much space or anything. So I think this is the best way doing it. I think that's awesome to charge 3 devices at the same time and you can also charge your Apple Watch and have it as a bed stand like this. So nice to see that you can do that. I think this is an awesome multi 3-in-1 charger that is also foldable. Check the links down below in the description text where you can buy this. I can highly recommend this. So high build quality, looks gorgeous, and so easy to have always with you wherever you go. So this is a quite surprise to me. Really high build quality. So great. So what have we here then from ZEERA? This is a clear case from ZEERA for my iPhone 13 Pro X. As you can see, nothing else in the box. So here is a clear case. Some dirt there. I don't like that. So this is a clear case that supports MagSafe, and you also have some for a strap, I think, a strap holder. That's nice. So this ZEERA clear case you can also find on their web page. You see a link down below in the description text where to buy that. So now I will remove this Apple leather case, original leather case from Apple for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is a really nice case I use for reading books. I use my iPhone 13 Pro Max as an ebook reader, and this case makes it so much better to hold when reading. So I bought that for just reading actually. So now we mount the clear case on the iPhone 13 Pro Max from ZEERA. Like so. I think it's on now, like so. Now it's on. Feels, of course, plastic in the hand instead of leather of the Apple original leather case. But you see already it's plastic. And the benefit with a clear case is that you can see how your iPhone looks. As you can see with this case. You have the Apple logo there. You have the MagSafe logo and your camera module. So I think it could be useful to have this clear case. Sometimes if you want to show how your phone looks and so on. Let's see how good the MagSafe connection is on ZEERA's normal charger. As you can see now, MagSafe connector works great. It's compatible with MagSafe. This is ZEERA's 3-in-1 foldable charger for 3 devices at the same time, for iPhone, Apple Watch and AirPods. As you can see, works great. So that's ZEERA's clear case. Love that, really love that actually. So what's more, let's see. Here is a ZEERA box. And here we have a really great USB-C cable from ZEERA. As you can see, so nice looking. Thick, braided, high build quality, great ends. No, I think this I think these will hold up very good. Really high build quality. I really love the ends on this one because they look great and very sturdy. And I love the thickness of the cable and also that it's braided. It's 1 meter in length is my guess, so quite short though, but works great probably with this charger and a lot of other chargers. And you can of course use it as a normal USB-C cable for any devices. So that's what I have for you from ZEERA. 3-in-1 foldable charger, a clear case for iPhone 13 Pro Max. You will have it for iPhone 14 and other iPhones too. And a USB-C cable. So go check the links down below in the description where you can buy ZEERA stuff. They have very high build quality. I can highly recommend them. Okay, bye.